there'll be a knock on the door. So when I heard Astha and Akasa were coming to Delhi and they had a new track out, I decided to see the video, but the Bluetooth was connected inside and I was in a different room, so it only showed me subtitles and the video. What did I see? The first thing. Wait for it. Na jin 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 mar gayi. So I said, you know, the energy that they have, I'm sure they were doing gin and tonics while shooting. But apparently
और overdose हो गया और मर गई
मर गई
ना जिन 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 जिन
जिन जिन ने ज़्यादा जिन पी लिया और बस See, मेरी मम्मा before the release, my mom was like dancing to the song. ना गिन दिन गिन 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 कहती ये रखना कोरियो में ऐसा ऐसा स्टेप रखना.
Actually गिनने वाला सिस्टम तो है उसमें काफी.
हाँ.
कितने कितने गिन जिन है जिन जिन गिन जिन.
यहाँ मैं
किसी ने बताया था 100 and something.
नहीं ज़्यादा 70
पूरे गाने में
70 something नहीं था. बोला था 70 कुछ था. I was the closest.
Actually हम गिन मर गए. काफी गाना सही लिखा है मतलब लोगों ने. I think आस्था और मेरा हर जगह यही हो रहा है कि चलने, क्योंकि हम ना किसी के फॉर्मेट इतनी गप्पे मारने लग जाते हैं जहाँ भी हमने बातें
You won't believe
कई
about
जगहों पे
तो लोगों ने नहीं
हाथ जोड़े
आप ही कर
रेडियो
लो
स्टेशंस पे आप इंटरव्यू ले लो हम लोग बैठ
हम जाते हैं.
By now everybody is gin gin jin jin nagin. I think that's happened. I feel before you guys start, I feel that of course there's a lot of fun vibe when I saw the video.
Yeah.
So you guys seem like you were having a lot of fun. Of course there's a backstory which I got to know from Astha, and now I'll hear your side of the story too. But there was a fun but a very fun bitchy vibe in the song. So
अब एक दूसरे के लिए गाने में
and I believe you guys actually met and the genesis of the song started cooking up at a photo shoot because you guys had a great vibe.
I knew she was also on Sony Music. And I was like, oh, I have to meet Akasa, you know, because so I'm really fond of meeting like new people. So I always had been telling my team that, you know, make me meet her. She seems like a fun person, and I think we'll vibe well.
So you guys knew each other and you met at the show, but at the shoot, but कुछ तो ऐसा vibe हुआ होगा ना. I want to understand वो vibe जो वो fun part bitchy part very edgy वो vibe जो आई है
वो I think so the fun vibe was the first time we hung out was Sara India की promotions के लिए
I was in Bombay.
she was in Bombay.
The day it was released, I was in Bombay.
Yeah.
And we met for some.
So we were all out with the team only, and
then we planned a
post that chilling
party.
session and everything. I was just dropping her. We didn't even go out for a ride. She had a car.
I was
she
a
was
little.
like, "Nahi."
I was a little happy.
Yeah, she was very
And
happy.
party के बाद तो she was dropping me
She was
home.
like quite happy.
I was quite happy.
So she was not sitting on my bike, she was standing on my
Yeah.
bike. Point is, we reached our destination and we started. I think it came up from like we immediately gelled so much, and which maybe I'm commenting. It's not very common or often that two kind of, we can say, but we both are doing the same thing.
Yeah.
It's very rare for them to not only gel but talk. We started talking about like साथ
We shared a dream.
she said one like she's like साथ हम लोग एक project साथ में करेंगे क्या सही होगा ना.
ये कीड़ा मुझे बड़े दिनों से चल रहा था दिमाग में that I have to collaborate with a girl.
Yeah, and I was like, I've been talking about this, and तब तक it hadn't clicked that she's the. I had someone in mind before, like she was also a Sony artist.
But it's sort of natural also that you guys wanted like some
Yeah.
feminine
Both of
energy
us.
in a collaboration.
Yeah. Yes.
Because you guys have been around so much testosterone always.
Yeah,
No?
and
Like
then
Band of Boys.
So, two people putting that same amount of energy inside, whether it was costumes, all of it was like we had. It's not like कि हम set पे पहुंच गए हमें तैयार कर दो. Everything was a joint combined effort. Yeah.
So major जो bonding हुई थी was over the craze mood swings. Because you guys were on a very strict diet.
We were.
And it's not like our mood swings were not at people. That is, I think we are so away from divas. Imagine we were salt, water.
We look like
You're-
divas, we don't behave like
we don't
divas.
behave because at that people in general only would have thrown those tantrums, but in spite of us having, मुझे याद है एक बार मेरा दिमाग खराब हुआ था because I was only allowed to eat some dry rice, some dry sweet potato, no salt, no water, and I had asked for some papaya. तो वो
ये क्या
papaya
नागिन माता का व्रत था?
हाँ ये मेरी नागिन के कपड़ों के अंदर आने के लिए मेरे ट्रेनर साथ आए थे. सो आई वाज लाइक यार प्लीज पपाया, मैंने एक दिन पहले मंगा दिया था एंड वो जब आया ना वो कच्चा था.
हाँ.
सो आई वाज लाइक अच्छा और क्या ला सकते हो यार, पाइनएप्पल ले आओ, कुछ तो मुझे खाना. वो भी कच्चा लाए. देन आई वाज लाइक वाटर, कुछ तो वो आया नहीं. दैट्स वन. There was a 5-minute
Raw
thing
food's
where I
really
was like,
good, but it can get on your nerves
Yeah,
sometimes. You
yeah.
know,
and
too
it
much
all
of raw
came out
food
on my
is.
trainer. I was like, "मुझे पानी पीना है अभी," and he was just like, "Chide, bed shant." He's from Delhi only, my trainer. He's like, "Ye sweet potato
So
khao."
have some karma to be surrounded by Delhi people, I think. That
I've
is the
always Mika, his whole band was from Delhi.
thing. हाँ.
I dated a guy who was from Delhi. I am doing a song who's from Delhi. A lot of my friends are from Delhi.
I think you're half Delhi wali.
Everyone
Yeah,
thinks
yeah.
I'm from Delhi, but nobody.
You're
nobody
also
has
doing
ever-
Probably
something that
Punjabi.
was supposed to be an interview, but in bed in Delhi.
Yeah.
तो इन्होंने मेरा ध्यान वही है, कुछ लेके आए हैं. क्या लेके आए हैं मेरा तो ध्यान
हम तो
नहीं
कुछ
है.
नहीं लाए.
खाने को होगा
You just
कुछ.
said you
No,
were-
no, nothing. We didn't say anything. We were just trying to get your stuff cleared.
What have you? Yeah, come on. You said you
She
got
said
something.
something.
जला जला जला.
कट पे चला गया.
तेरा रास्ता देख रही हूँ.
Oh, bro, this is intense stuff.
गोलगप्पे खा जा मेरे जान.
ओ बर्मा.
So we do a whole lot of sections, and I think we'll need a longer, another longer session to get into the core of your individual musicalities.
Yeah.
But in a nutshell, if I'm supposed to ask you, 5 years ago, where did you guys see yourselves?
So basically, I feel vision should always be bigger than what you can achieve or what you will achieve. You know, that's how you reach a certain point, and then you have a bigger vision. And then, so now my vision is not what I was thinking like 5 years back. Now I think of completely something else. Like I'm probably thinking 5 years down the line, I'll you just never know, I might be international. Like, you know. So I this is one good thing I've learned from Bacha Bhaiya, that vision should never be constant. Your vision should always change with time. It should always move ahead with time. So 5 years back, yeah, I was thinking I would be like the biggest sensation of India and la 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 la.
But you are.
In a way, like, but it's still not. I'm still
See,
not. where I
honestly
was
speaking,
thinking.
if you ask a lot of people, of course, all due respect and credit to Badsha
Yeah.
for DJ Wale Babu, but
Yeah.
it's a song which is a game changer. you
Yeah,
know.
it was.
And you are the signature voice now,
Yeah,
because the first thing that comes in your mouth is DJ Wale Babu.
yeah, exactly.
So yes, I mean, somewhere close to what you had envisioned, I guess.
Right, right.
You still googling?
No,
this-
I
this still
just
time.
came to know India's Raw Star came up in
Yeah.
2014. So it was a very, I was in a very nice, cushiony, I'd call it job, because for 4 years I was a part of Mika's band. And at an age of, literally I was in college and barely experiencing college life, and cut to I was on, and at that, especially at that time, that was Mika's peak. We did almost 4 US Canada tours. Once we went twice in a year, which was I was literally like, wow. And
What is
sold
going on?
out-
Yeah.
sold out gigs everywhere. I remember once we performed for an audience of in India somewhere 60,000 people. It was like a mela thing, and I thought people must be here and there, and I opened for the gig. I've performed at the O2, like I've opened a gig. Even
It's an
where I
incredible
thought I would
venue,
sing,
yeah.
I would sing with Mika. I remember I was in the green room and something that was signed and Beyonce's, and one of the staff members, I was like, oh, I love her. She's like, yeah, this one's her favorite something, and I was like, this.
Let me just take it in.
Coming back to the point, I actually made a very, I think it was 2014 or 2013 end, where I was like, I don't want to do this anymore. And because the plan was something else, and while I was in the band, it was going very differently. So, and for 2 years after in that band, I actually was thinking of branching out, but it didn't work out. And he's also kind of connected to my family, so it was also very difficult.
Yeah. You had seen a whole lot of crowds, and then you guys came forward with your individual careers, not a part of as a big entity, but as your own individual entity.
Yeah.
And then, like you said, 60,000 people, maybe
Right.
similar counts for you
Yeah.
as well,
Yeah.
as a part of an entourage,
Yeah,
and a part
yeah.
of a all-star,
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it was,
you know,
yeah.
ensemble.
And I always had this in the back of my head, even if I'm the only girl standing on stage there, I was just like, this is not satisfying. Like, until I do my, also because of my back I grew up watching my dad perform. So for me, this was like first standard. Okay, ab ho gaya. Let's pass out and graduate to the next this thing. Which is why when I left that and Rostar happened, and then post Rostar really shot up, which I didn't realize then. I realize it now. 2014, 5 years back, actually Rostar happened, and it gave me a huge, whatever following I have on social media is all Rostar. After that, I have not gotten this much of a, and I was on the show for 4 episodes.
What was perhaps the first sound or the first track in your memory, in your conscious memory, that made you feel like, okay, you know, I want to do this. I want to not just sing something, I want to create something, have my own stamp on it. I mean, where did that happen? Where did that begin?
I think for me it was always, I say this everywhere. It not only just being in fact, what was always the case was not this whole playback singer. I didn't know what this term was. Obviously, growing up, I knew dad sings. I knew dad's in his videos, and my dad is also very well maintained, and he is very good in front of the camera. So is my mom. So my mom used to act in music videos.
Oh, really?
She was
I didn't know
yeah,
that.
she was a Kathak dancer. So
Oh,
she
lovely.
was the lead in Hema Malini's ballet tour.
Oh,
So my mom used to be the lead in that story, Kathak ballet.
Seriously, you got the moves.
I wish. She's
Genetically.
Oh, come on, you
something.
have them.
My mom pushed me towards singing. She was like, dancing, singing. I still hold a grudge. But anyway, for me, I always wanted, it was such a terrible thing now that I realize, such a vain thing as a kid, in the limelight and in the forefront. Which is why I remember asking my mom that, why is the voice not the heroines? Because as I grew up, Sunidhi Chauhan was one of my very...
Yeah.
And I was like, why is Sunidhi... Because I remember that thinking, this is not Sunidhi, this is someone else. This is Urmila Matondkar doing Rookie. As I grew up, I obviously grew up and I matured and I realized playback singing is something else. Acting and heroines is something else, which I also dabbled in. I did a bit of acting as well. But this was always in me that I didn't know that I was talking about indie pop or pop music. But if I'm singing, then I need to be the product. I will be acting it out. I will be dancing it out. And I'm not only going to be someone's voice and stand in the background and only
So
like
somewhere
the
there must have been one tune or a bunch of tunes.
I think it was Avara Bhavre in...
What about you?
I remember when I was 5, I used to not 5, but like
Chote
an
chote.
infant. So I used to sing Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam ke song. So just randomly. So my dad really.
When
my
you were
dad
5, you used to sing Hum Dil De
Not
Chhe
5, not 5. I think
Older. My brother
8
was
or
5
9.
when that came.
Yeah, I was just suddenly reassessing where I was at that point of
Yeah.
time. I was
No,
old
no.
enough.
My brother sort of, because once he was going on the khidki and singing Tadap Tadap
Yeah,
without
yeah.
grill. So I remember 14th floor.
So I don't know what
God.
age I was, but I was an infant. That's all I remember. And like I was singing Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, and he was like, sing it again. So since then, whenever like after that, whenever like my family members or my relatives came home, he used to be like, वो वाला गाना सुना चल खड़े होके हम दिल हम दिल दे चुके सनम. I used to be like this
So cute
little, and I used to
little
sing
girl.
that song. So I started enjoying that, but gradually then I realized, that I should probably not get into a an artist this thing lifestyle, or I should not go for singing, because I thought that since my dad also struggled a lot, So we've seen that struggle, and I was like, I'm not ready for this. I want every month my salary to be there in my account, and I want to spend that nicely and wisely. And the first time I saw an artist performing on stage was Madhuri Dixit and Prabhu Deva. Kesaras. I had come to Bombay for some event with my dad because he was also organizing something in the one of the sets he was part of, and I saw Madhuri and Prabhu Deva performing. So before their performance, backstage we had the pass, so she was rehearsing there with Prabhu Deva sir, and बहुत सारा crowd ऐसे खड़ा ना पूरा ऐसा cipher सा बना के, so obviously I couldn't go in front, so मैं literally ऐसे crawl down करके बीच में से टांगों के बीच से निकल के आगे चली गई, and Madhuri Dixit actually saw me doing that and she waved, and I'm like, I was little, I was very little.
But this is an interesting conversation I keep having on with various musicians. When we sit down, we talk about how people are not just consuming music, but what is considered
Good.
a hit, and how do we measure it? I mean, are we simply all? Have we been jailed and sort of in a way persecuted by the numbers which our songs are getting? Or how many people are humming it? What like
For me,
originally?
that matters more because I
Numbers
don't.
shouldn't matter anyway.
Yeah, but see, at the end of the day, what everybody is doing today is saying 15 million, 10 million, 1,000, 1 billion. It's,
But I've
it's become a sort of a parameter for us
That's
to
true, yeah.
target,
That is
the
true.
content that we're.
Yeah, but like
yeah.
I've also seen a lot of songs that have millions of hits on YouTube
And
or
they've
whatever.
come
but,
and gone.
but people haven't heard the song.
Exactly.
People don't know about the song. They don't know the lyrics of the song. And I've also seen the songs having
10 million.
10
that's
million
it.
hits and everyone's going crazy, but everyone's loving the song. So that's
So
something that
TikTok
matters.
is a good measure of the success
Yeah,
of that.
yeah, it is.
Every video that I see on TikTok
Because
is
people are engaging in the song, and they when you perform live, you see the reactions of the people, when you're performing. So I think that matters more. That are people enjoying the song, or are they just what is this?
Even with Thug Ranja, when I was interviewing, or even recently, if it was brought it up, someone was like, oh, it's reached so and so. I had no idea because I was never even keeping track. If my team had sent, oh, it's here, and I was like, that's great, but where is it playing? Are people, that is more important. And I don't know if anyone who's thinking कि नहीं मेरा तो 100 million में जाएगा है hit है, I think they are very wrong.
I love the
because
answer
of
Thug Ranja.
Thug Ranja. Oh, that was
Ishq di Podiya?
that's why that's where the song was born. That is what he came up with.
So that was then. When we talk about today, what would you say is that one trend in the contemporary music scenario which you cannot stand?
I think we should stop making remakes.
You're killing the soul and making it wear like jewelry and everything. A lot of songs, not all, some I loved. I loved Kala Chashma, I'm sorry, but it was a remake. Still feel like, there are so many, चलो जो गाने single आते भी हैं, अगर तुम उसे लेके picture में डाल रहे हो, someone needs to put their foot down and be like, okay, we will give you this song for your film, but you will keep the original singers. This whole trend of, hey, let's take your single, we are going to put it on a film. The singers usually yeah, okay, my song will become bigger. Oh, but you're not going to sing it, someone else will. I find that so heartbreaking. And I think Thug Ranja also, someone had approached to put it in a film. They didn't give me details, but they did say no because they wanted to change a lot of things, blah blah blah. But chalo, Thug Ranja chodo. Why, if you're gonna recreate it and do something in your film, why not just keep the original singers also and give them that much of respect कि चलो तुम ही से हमें गवाते हैं, हम पिक्चर में रख रहे हैं.
So since I figured that there was some street food angle her idea.
Too many.
Then there was some Mosam angle and Momo's angle, so I managed to just get this and.
These look so pretty.
Yeah, this is really yum.
इसको
also.
खाने का मन ही ना करे.
I'm doing. Guys, this is the best ever because Malvika here has. Okay.
It's a drone momo.
Chocolate momos. What is happening?
That's for dessert.
Is this our second
This
surprise?
is Nutella chocolate. momo.
Oh my god, we have to eat.
Straight to the dessert.
अब मेरे को वो पहले खाने का मन कर.
Thank you, Vamos Momos,
Thank you,
and thank you,
Vamos
Jay,
Momos.
for like
Yeah.
sending this in a jiffy.
Thanks, Jay.
So
She ordered and आ गए मतलब.
yeah. So I mean, मौसीकी की बहुत बातें हमारी अभी बची हैं. मौसीकी, you know, कौन सी वाली मौसी?
मौसी की.
जो कौन सी मौसी?
कौन सी मौसी? तो अभी वो बहुत बारी बची है, but I think we'll have to do another session of either of the two. अब
Oh,
ये
yeah.
बहुत सफर हो गया और song भी हो रहा है हमारा. So now we'll drive straight into the rapid fire. So if you get a free run to order anything in your tour rider, your green room rider, what would it be?
I would
Spa.
totally order my personal
Free
chef. I'd take my personal chef with me everywhere if it was allowed.
Spa.
I don't care makeup, I don't care trainer, I don't care hair. I need a chef. And that chef should also know how to give massages.
Ah.
Acha. What is the most bizarre thing you heard of in the same sequence in a rider or in the green room?
Oh,
Most bizarre request or addition?
request me. A lot of times in green rooms, you know, in these wedding gigs, what happens is so many times, especially I don't want to name, it'll become like very casteist, but people don't care sometimes that there's an artist sitting who has to go and perform in a bit because they have their wedding, their dance performances. And for them, those performances are more important than the performance, than the artist, the headliner of. They don't care. 2 or 3 times this has happened that someone's been like, sorry, can we just use this space? And I literally used it in a corner with my brother or someone. I'm like, yeah. And they literally have, this one time they were doing this whole choreography, these uncles and everyone in front of me. I'm sitting in the green room and they were like, one essay, and I was just like, मुझे निकाल ही दो ना यहाँ से, मतलब तुम लोग मुझे क्यों बिठा के रखा है? It was very creepy and very, I just found it just wrong. I was just like, this is mannerlessness. But
What
anyway.
about you?
You remember when Snoop Dogg came to India? Uh, can I like, I don't know. If
Go
I'm
for it.
yeah?
If you don't find it fine, then
Yeah.
we'll discuss it.
Okay.
ज़्यादा नहीं करते, थोड़ा बहुत कर देंगे.
So she was like,
Like I'm
Snoop
getting
Dogg-
up right now
yeah.
because I need to
Okay.
stretch. Yeah, go for it. Go for it.
So Snoop came now to India. So she was like, you know, उसके tech rider में इतना का इतना ग्राम का. So they literally ordered like from
Beep.
Everything's going to be beeped.
So it was in his tech rider. It was weird for me that, you know, someone would put tech rider.
Huh? Okay, so I should warn you that now where we're moving, in the direction that we're moving,
Yeah.
here, please be the best friends that you are
Okay.
and keep your lovely camaraderie alive.
Okay.
But this is slightly competitive.
Okay.
Honest and edgy person will get to know what the final suspense surprise is.
Okay.
So it is worth a little bit of
Okay.
hustle.
Effort.
Yeah. So that you can't cheat. Don't look. Don't look.
Yeah, I just saw Asta totally peeking.
ये पराग को बच्ची होगी मेरे को लगता है. Exactly. So a song that you'd rather not have on your playlist but got stuck in your head nevertheless.
My own
5
song.
second. 5 second.
Khich Meri Photo.
All time favorite music venue.
Currently, Geo Garden has been killing it. It's been a great venue.
I love performing in Delhi,
Uh,
mostly colleges,
Yeah.
because there I find my kind of crowd.
most embarrassing moment from a live gig.
नया मीका का बैंड ज्वाइन किया है. पहला मेरा शो था न्यू ईयर्स का.
Huh.
Now Mika used to wear black glasses and everyone used to wear. रात का West End में शो था बॉम्बे में. So my entry used to be on that Put Your Fist, Sing is King में. There was a part of hardcore, so I used to enter on that. Put your fist up, ha, put your fist. So this is me, Kala Chashma, must dress. I'm like, put your fist up, ha, and just chadte put your fist up, boom. I'm like on the floor door. And literally, I'm like, put your fist up. Put your fist up.
Literally put it up high.
I
No
thought
way.
no one saw it. I thought, and I was all like, chop the fuck chicken up the, and I come on stage, okay, and I'm like, literally after थोड़ी देर मैं वहाँ देखती ना वहाँ 5 जन मुझे देख के हंसी जा रहे हैं, तो उन बदतमीजों ने देख लिया था.
Most embarrassing memory from okay.
Oh, I went on stage with a price tag on my t-shirt.
Oh shit.
Oh हाँ, you told me that.
I told you that.
So only the people in the pit would be able to see that, right?
No. So
Oh, what
I was
color?
like properly performing. White t-shirt, पीछे से टंग रहा है बाहर ऐसे इतना. And then nothing. I had to come out of it, so I
Your
announced
dad
it on
didn't
my.
become a trend, yeah? Otherwise
I
your
announced it
TikTok
on my-
followers will make a trend
Yeah.
out of it or something, no?
I announced
Remember
on
Mean
mic.
Girls?
I was like,
Okay,
I'm so sorry.
I think we need to give her a tissue. Okay, you're prepared. Go for it, man. Should I give background music?
Yeah. 3, 2.
Na 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 na. I'm not having it. I know what happens. I've had enough of this. Hi. What happened? Careful, okay, don't choke on me.
what the fuck
This is this is a better Halloween look, you know. Oi, it's going to go. You can take more of the sauce.
Why did you not tell us that there is already chocolate inside it? I put so much on top.
This is what you call an overkill. Currently crushing on and lifetime crushing on musician, artist.
Musician currently crushing on Shawn Mendes. I would totally like date him.
It's still there.
Forever crushing on John Mayer. I would marry him. No, Diljit Dosanjh.
Yeah, Dijit is so
He tells me
adorable.
मेरे से मेरा ब्याह कर ले,
पापा
ब्याह
ही
कर
मान
ले.
जाएंगे पंजाबी बोल.
I'll be like ब्याह करना है
But
कल.
Sona Sardar. What a
आज
beautiful
करना है.
tone of voice he has.
I would marry him like this.
सरदार नहीं सरदार जी बोलिएगा.
ओए होए.
मूवी नहीं देखी उनकी.
नहीं जी.
अब प्रियंका
सरदार
बोलने
जी.
दे सरदार को
Oh.
मुंह पे मुक्का मारूंगी उसको.
I really like Zayn Malik.
One fact about you guys that will be very hard to believe for your followers.
The
if you
fact
say.
that I am a Sardarni and I have never eaten any chicken, never had any daru in my life, and I still am the first one on the club and the last one to leave.
मेरी एक ही आदत है जो लोग बिलीव नहीं करते कि सुबह ब्रश करे बिना मैं कुछ बोलती नहीं हूँ. So I'm literally on a मौन व्रत before I brush. So मेरे घर में सबको मेरे एक्शन ऐसे ऐसे करके मेरे को कॉफी ऐसा ऐसा बेला. इनफैक्ट मैं पेट
ब्रश ही कर लो, ब्रश क्यों नहीं कर लेते?
ब्रश करते उठ के जो 5-10 मिनट बेड पे लेजिंग अराउंड नहीं होता उसमें मेरे को बेला चाहिए होती है
शांति.
कडल के लिए 5 मिनट. तो मैं बेला को आवाज भी
It's your dog?
या सो शी आल्सो नोज माय sign language and all of that.
So now, a question you'd like to ask the following music stars, but we have 2 seconds each, so please be fast. Bali Sagu.
When are you recreating a song and taking me in it?
Don't recreate any of your songs. They're legendary songs.
Okay. Lady Gaga.
When are you coming out with the song? We are waiting.
Yes, we are waiting. Yes, and your movie was fab.
ये सवाल का है.
Oh हो सवाल करने में. Oh,
Okay, missed it. Skip.
हाँ.
Justin Bieber.
Why did you marry?
Who did he marry?
No, I have the same question. Why did you marry Ning? When are you having a kid?
Oh my god. नहीं
Okay.
नहीं.
Okay. We're
क्या
going to
बात
2
करते हो
seconds.
यार?
Girls, Beyonce.
Oh my
Why
god, will you
so
marry
hot?
me? Oh my god, will you
Why
please?
so hot?
Where will you shake my hand?
2 seconds.
Why
rule.
so hot?
Okay, done. J-Lo. Last.
Will you
Please
give me
teach
that
some
booty?
moves.
An app that you're addicted to.
Instagram.
क्या
An app that you're addicted to.
Instagram yeah.
Okay, the final round is called Daring to Karo. Obviously, I think you guys know where Daring to Karo comes from. If not, I'll tell you offline.
Uh-oh.
Okay, the first dare. Okay, and you guys have to take your phones. So get your tissue papers. Where's
Okay.
your phones?
Okay, what do I have to do?
Okay, this is called the SNS Unselfie. So you can hashtag unselfie. I'll give you the hashtags later. You have to post an Insta story or a video right now enacting a popular selfie pose that is the most unselfie-like for you.
I've never done this and I hate when people do it, but
Who's faster? She's winning.
Oh, I thought we were like doing one by one.
I told you this is
Where do I
competition.
tag?
Tag me and hashtag Sapper and Song. Tag me. Whoever does this first is going to be the winner. Like
Post
2
it.
seconds. Oh, she wins.
Supper and
But
मेरे को
her,
rapper बना दिया
what
इसने.
she did is
The final round, it's called double whammy.
Okay.
Okay, I'm explaining this very gently and then I'm going to read out all the options to you.
Hmm.
Okay, you guys will have to call on the speaker. You have to call a peer or a friend from the industry, someone who we would know. Okay, and say the following lines from pop culture. Okay, and the peer and the friend, you'll have to get them to repeat the lines without giving them an explanation. So pick up the phone, say the lines on the speaker.
okay. I've already called. Can you repeat after me?
Priyank, can you say
You
Joey
know
doesn't share food?
nothing. Vishal Snow.
Joey doesn't share food.
Just say it.
Bowl.
You know nothing, Vishal.
Joey.
Suvan
Okay,
again.
done.
हरा दिया
I-
मुझे.
Okay, now for the final suspense. So I'm sorry we did a show of hands, but it looks like I think
Both
I'm
of us
between
are
both of you. This is what you win.
Can we open it
ऊपर
now?
वाला ले, चल तू
अजी
कर।
बे,
मैं नीचे देख।
नहीं, देखेंगे.
ये मेरा है।
नहीं, हम देखेंगे यार. शेयर करने अंदर.
Who wants the basket? Give us the
Asta.
basket को.
Asta will take the basket.
ये
because
कहाँ
I-
ही जाएगी फ्लाइट में बॉम्बे?
हाँ, वही तो.
And there are some more goodies which will
Okay,
reach
one
you
is
tomorrow.
yours. Wow, this is so
Aw.
beautiful.
What
Show
is
me
it?
that.
मैं खोलती हूँ इसको।
Okay.
Let me help you with that.
हाँ,
Oh,
this is one is for you, one is for me. दिखाओ.
It's pretty, no?
Wow. That's
Is it a
pretty.
candle?
Yeah, it's a lavender scented candle.
So beautiful.
I'll send you guys another one. Whoever
No.
takes this, I'll send you
It's
another
okay. You can give it to Asta.
one. I'll send you,
It's
yeah.
okay, you can give it to Agasa.
No, you
I'm
can
in
give-
Delhi only.
Oh my god, such love. So with that, thank you very much. Thank you both. It was really fun.
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
both
same
for
here.
having you guys on Supper and Song. Hello, मुझे भी देख लो यार.
Thank you. This was one of the best times I've ever had.
This is actually
Food
one
was
of the best,
amazing.
best
I love
interviews,
this mug.
Actually.
And
So
I like
much
this
fun I
box
had.
also.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Okay. So we're all here.
Damn it.
Thank you once again. This was really
Thank you
fun.
so much. You have to come to Bombay and have street food there now. Why do?
Misal pav. And you
Misal pav.
come to Delhi.
Look at you going like chai ki ketli. Oh my god, give it to me. She with the
I think you should keep it. Neither of us deserve it.
Don't worry, I am sending you the candle. Oh
ले
my
जा,
god.
ले जा.
So,
Thank you
epic.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so
And now I think we should wrap it and do a group hug because we were really good fun. All of us. Thank you guys. Awesome. So, before we go, we must do the hook step of Nagin.
Oh yes,
So
let's
But
do it.
someone
बैठे.
will play.
बैठे
हाँ हाँ
बैठे.
बैठे बैठे.
Where are
मैं
you
तो
going,
खड़ा
Asta?
करूँगी.
She's just going to put her goodies on the side. No?
अरे
In
उसके
life.
साथ ही करते हैं ना with this. कोई
Okay.
गाना बजा दो.
कोई तो बजाओ, कोई तो
डीजे वाले
बजाओ,
बाबू
कोई तो
का
बजाओ.
गाना बजा दो. नहीं.
डीजे वाले तेरा गाना तू बजाओ.
थोड़ी बोले मुझे कह दे.
तेरा बेसुरे हो रहा है.
बेस तो बढ़ा दे. Okay.